Can Vipassana meditation help with burnout? Are you feeling overwhelmed and exhausted? Many people experience burnout, especially in our fast-paced world. But can Vipassana meditation really help? Let's break it down. Burnout often stems from prolonged stress and emotional fatigue. Vipassana meditation can address these issues directly. This technique focuses on observing thoughts, sensations, and emotions without reacting. By practicing this awareness, you can learn to manage your mental patterns more effectively. One of the main benefits of Vipassana is stress reduction. It lowers cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress. When you calm your body's fight or flight response, your nervous system can return to balance. This leads to clearer thinking, fewer emotional outbursts, and better sleep. All of these factors are essential for recovering from burnout. Another key aspect is emotional regulation. Vipassana enhances your ability to control your thoughts and reactions. You can observe negative thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. This practice helps reduce emotional exhaustion and prevents burnout from worsening. Additionally, Vipassana provides a mental reset. It breaks down mental barriers and clears your mind. This can restore focus and concentration, which often suffer during burnout. When your mind is clear, it becomes easier to return to effective study or work habits. Moreover, Vipassana improves decision-making. By fostering present-moment awareness, it helps you avoid impulsive reactions linked to stress. This supports healthier coping strategies and better self-management. For students, Vipassana can be particularly beneficial. It improves concentration and reduces distractions caused by stress. Even short daily meditation sessions can help maintain mental balance, making it easier to focus on studies. To gain the full benefits of Vipassana, consider a structured retreat or consistent daily practice. However, even brief mindfulness exercises can contribute to stress relief and emotional balance. In summary, Vipassana meditation offers practical tools to manage and reduce burnout. By calming the stress response, improving emotional control, and enhancing mental clarity, it aligns well with techniques for maintaining effective focus and concentration.